Ever met a fish with an attitude? Meet the triggerfish. These reef warriors come in dazzling colors, yellow, blue, and even polka dots. But don't let their beauty fool you. Some, like the Titan Triggerfish, can grow up to 75 centimeters, 30 inches long, and will fiercely defend their territory. Their superpower? A locking spine on their back. When threatened, they wedge themselves into rocks and become nearly impossible to pull out. Oh, and those teeth, razor sharp. They can crush shells, crabs, and even sea urchins like snacks. And if you ever see one guarding its nest, you'd better swim the other way fast. What do you think? Beautiful or terrifying? Let me know in the comments.